Crypto investing for beginners. Patience pays off. Emma's journey. Meet Emma, a 28-year-old college grad who's just starting to explore cryptocurrency. She's heard about Bitcoin and Ethereum from friends, but feels a bit lost when it comes to investing. One evening, over coffee, she talks to her cousin Mark, who's been into crypto for a couple of years. Mark explains how he's had both wins and losses, but over time, he's learned that patience and a good strategy are key. He encourages Emma to start small and take it slow, reminding her that the crypto world can be exciting, but it can also be risky. Emma decides to take Mark's advice and invests a small amount in Bitcoin. At first, things go smoothly, but a few weeks later, the market starts to shake. Bitcoin's price drops suddenly, and Emma starts to panic.
I've been hearing so much about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I'm honestly a bit lost. I want to get started, but I'm worried I might make the wrong choices. How did you get into it? What should I be careful about?
She watches the news, sees people talking about huge losses, and wonders if she should sell before things get worse. Her emotions are all over the place, but instead of rushing to make a decision, she takes a step back. She remembers what Mark told her. Don't let fear drive your decisions. In crypto, you have to think long-term. Emma decides not to sell. Instead, she diversifies by adding some Ethereum to her portfolio, keeping her risk low. As weeks go by, the market starts to stabilize, and Emma's portfolio slowly recovers. Months later, Emma's initial investment is doing well. She's learned to manage her emotions, stick to her plan, and, most importantly, be patient. She feels proud that she didn't give in to panic during that market dip. The big lesson? In crypto, patience is key. It's important to understand that markets can go up and down, but holding steady and making smart, long-term choices can pay off. Emma has learned to embrace the journey, not just the quick wins. Emma smiles as she watches her investments grow, remembering how staying calm and strategic made all the difference. Cryptocurrency investing is not about making quick profits. It's about managing risks, staying patient, and being smart with your decisions. Take your time, stick to your plan, and remember that the market will have its ups and downs. But the journey is worth it.